So I want to give you my honest review on this 8-in-1 Montessori Toddler Toy that I got. It's a great toy for kids as ages 1 and up. Let's look at the inside here and see what it looks like. Right away you can see that each side of this toy has something different to do. There's shape sorting, music, color matching, and even a little clock for learning how to tell time. It's designed to make learning fun while helping kids build their motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The bright colors are really eye-catching, and the different activities will keep kids busy for a long time, while also teaching them how to solve problems and use their imagination. One thing I really like is that it's easy to carry around. You can take it on car rides or anywhere else you go. It's made from safe, sturdy materials too, so it can handle lots of playtime without breaking. This toy is not only fun, but it's also a great way for kids to learn, making it perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a great mix of education and entertainment for kids ages 1 to 5.